Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I'm standing in our new shop. We just got 2 more lifts installed. Those are getting wired up next week by our buddy Clay. We've got a 2020 GT500 Whipple, 2020 GT500 Whipple, 2020 GT500 Whipple. You guys know this car. It's our X900S. We've got our Godzilla swap that's coming out from the dust over there, and we're gonna get started on that next week. All kinds of cars here. We've got a CX-1100, our development overkill car. We got our new engine going in that right now. We even have a badass twin turbo Hemi built engine. This thing's crazy. We'll show you this on the channel soon. Anyway, Jason from 1320 Junkie Performance recently headed down all the way from Connecticut so we can help him sort out his GT500 that features a 5.8 liter TKM engine, twin turbo, and 6R80. We put it on the dyno. Rob got the tune all cleaned up and dialed in. He drove it around South Florida. And then we went to one of the very last events at Palm Beach International Raceway, and it went phenomenal. So go ahead and check out the video, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm here with Jason from 1320. Look at this. He's got so many cars, we got to make sure you know which one we're talking about. It's his GT500 twin turbo, and this car's been sleeping for a little bit, right?
Very much so.
Yeah, so a lot of people, one thing I find in the Mustang world is people come and go. There's obviously tons of people that are there the whole time. But the people that come and go, like, this may be a brand new car to them. Like,
correct.
They may not been around the first couple times around. The really cool thing about this car, there's lots of cool things, is the transmission that's in it. It's a 6R80 swap. Jason's down here from Connecticut to get this thing dialed in. What's the fastest the car's ever been?
Not fast enough.
No? Okay.
No.
I like that answer because that's why it's here. Let's go over the numbers so far. It's right at 1,000 and 1,000. Rob's working with a little bit of tune-up stuff over there. That's only, it's not even 20 pounds of boost yet.
Yeah.
So 19 pounds of boost, 1,000 and 1,000. All right, Jason, what do you think? 1109. Oh, Jesus Christ, 1100 torque, man. This thing's a torque monster.
Yeah, the 5.8 really makes those 6.4, 6.6s light off.
Well,
really quick.
Yeah, that's going to help because this thing's really heavy.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell people a little bit more about the car that don't know about it? What's the history on it?
So I bought it brand new in 2012. It's a 2012 GT500. It has all the 13, 14 stuff on it. We had a couple iterations of the car, TVS, Whipple, and final iteration is the twin turbos. Short blocks built by TKM, cylinder heads by Chris Starnes, has our boost-proof Boss intake, twin 6466 Gen 2 precision turbos, air-to-water intercooler. Really.
And then it's got the 6R80.
The 6R80, yep. And
my own personal car, I had all sorts of problems with the spooling because of the big cams and intake manifold I had on it. But that's definitely not going to be a problem. I mean, look at that thing. It's spooling hard at 4,500.
Yeah.
Like I said, the intake manifolds, Sticking with the Boss intake over short runner helps quite a bit.
Yes.
Actually, I'm gonna put yours up over mine out of curiosity. All right, I thought this would be a really interesting dyno graph to look at, and boy, was I right. So awesome. The blue line is my red twin turbo Coyote car. That is the opposite of this car. It's smaller displacement, large cam, short runner intake, and I had nothing but problems getting this thing out of the hole. Oh, look at that. That is cool, dude.
Yeah, right on the money.
Holy cow.
You can't get better than that.
So it's exactly the same boost. Yeah. Holy cow, what a cool comparison.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so now at practically the same exact boost, look at the spool difference.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really cool looking. And again, smaller displacement, cams, intake manifold, they all add up there. Hey, what's up? We're here at Palm Beach International Raceway, and it's probably the very last public event here. They're going to be renting the track for just a little bit longer, but it's a slick and radial night. Jason from 1320 Junkie Performance is down here with his twin turbo car. We just got it done on the dyno. Let's head up to the track and see what it runs. What do you think about Palm Beach International Raceway? First and last time you ever probably gonna race here.
Yeah, it's sad to see it go, man. I hate losing racetracks, man.
Yeah.
It's like a nice home track.
He wasn't pushing it harder at all. Wow, I think he's going to be real happy with that. You know, the fastest.
First pass?
Yeah.
It's never made it on the fucking track.
Yeah.
Hey, it's never made it on the track.
What's up?
What do you think of that?
That bitch stuck.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, that's like not even much boost yet, right?
No, that's nothing.
And I think it'll take more on the hit.
Oh,
it'll take more everywhere.
Dude, so without throwing anybody under the bus with how, what the car ran before, that was the car's fastest passing.
Yeah.
ET wise.
Yeah.
ET wise, yes.
That's awesome.
I mean, I'm not even trying.
And what was the? You got the slip handy?
Yes, sir.
Let me take a look at it. 932 at 150, 145 to the 60. You know, we were talking. We left real low there.
3,200.
118. So you were 32 at the back. Yeah. And how much boost do you think that was?
Probably 15.
15 pounds.
If that.
Ah.
If that.
Look at this thing.
Yeah. We're halfway there. We go lower.
All right, what's the plan for this next pass? You think? Definitely gonna leave harder on.
I think we should go
at least 100 or so.
Yeah, 33, 34.
What was that? 3?
That was 32.
32. Yeah. I just had 100 or so.
Yep.
And a little bit more boost down track.
Yep. So add 100.
You run? No, not yet.
I got his fucking multi-tool in my center console, popping the button up.
That's a pretty expensive tuning table you got there, Rob.
Yeah, it suffices, barely.
Are you Mike Weiss?
Is that live?
No. I was looking. I was shooting your neck anyway.
Perfect.
Jason spun on that last one. Probably didn't have enough tire pressure, so we put some more tire pressure in it. It's getting ready to fuck yes. Well, the goal was 8s for today. What do you think, Jen?
Great.
Yeah, we skipped right over 890, 880s. It left really good. It
did. Yeah.
There she goes. That bitch left. There she goes. Palm Beach Dyno for the win, baby. Woo! Hell yeah. That's how you do it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very excited. It's been quite a number of years to get a really solid pass behind this car. I can't wait to see this fucking time slip. That was only 20 pounds of boost, too. Thank you, sir. 889 and 157. 889, 157 on 20 pounds of boost. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Rob. Palm Beach Dyno crew. Leaving Florida with an 8. Y'all rock. Bring your business to Palm Beach Dyno. Hell yeah. Wow. Whew. Not just an 8. An 889 on 20 pounds of boost. And I'm pretty sure we lifted the front tire. Because that sucker was up. Huge shout out to Palm Beach Dyno and my wife.
Oh, what do you think of that?
DVD, baby, for the win.
Great job, brother.
Oh.
Where's the slip?
In my pocket.
Let's see it.
2 and done. That's it. We're done.
889 at 157. How'd it feel? Smooth?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Amazing. Every shift, bang, bang, bang.
Awesome.
Amazing. Dude, this thing has so much left in it.
Yeah.
So much.
I
But
mean,
we came to Florida to run an 8. Not only did we get any 8s, we got an 889 on 2 passes.
Yeah.
2 passes.
and you didn't make any changes between the second and third except for tire pressure?
Tire pressure, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. It was just widen up the tire.
Yeah.
So for your followers and stuff, you know, when you have a heavy car, you need to have air pressure accordingly. And Martin DeSormo, he's the one that made the call. He showed me the video, and I looked at it real quick, and he's the one that said 19. And I was like, you know what? That's actually a good choice. And that's a Palm Beach Dyno guy supporting a Palm Beach Dyno customer. I can't say enough about you guys.
Actually, it's Palm Beach Motorsport. He is our wheel and tire specialist.
Palm Beach Motorsports guy. And listen, wheel and tire, he's right in his wheelhouse.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Hey, Rob, I don't think it logged, bro.
Who cares?
I don't even care.
I go 2 kilobytes. Fuck it. It's not it. Dude. It's empty. Good.
All right. I want to thank Jason for coming down all the way to Florida. I mean, how many hits did you do on the dyno, Rob?
3, 4. Well,
Few hits.
Yeah,
I mean, we
4 or 5.
changed boost though.
Yeah.
Few hits, 4 or 5 hits on the dyno, like you guys saw in the video. 3 total hits. 1, the tire pressure wasn't right, so 2 hits. 889 at 157.
889,
Mission
157,
accomplished.
20 pounds of boost, dude.
Yeah. Awesome.
I can't thank you guys enough, man.
Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.